All right, we're all packed up and ready to go. Gonna be going to Rainy Lake for about 5 days with two really excited kids. You guys ready?
Yeah, we are.
Where are we going?
Rainy Lake.
Are we gonna have a lot of fun?
Yeah.
Are we gonna catch a lot of fish?
Yeah.
Is it gonna be sweet?
Yeah. How long are we gonna stay there? 1 week.
There you go, boy. On the road. Here we go, guys.
Yeah.
You excited?
Yes.
5 hours later.
Made it to Rainy Lake Visitor Center. That's what we're gonna put in. What do you think, guys? All right, boys. You think we got enough stuff?
Yeah. Okay. So this is Rowan's like platform.
Okay.
This is the main area.
All right, let's go look down at the boat. Beautiful. This site is so neat.
I love this place.
Okay, now here we got to start unloading the boat. And we got to start bringing stuff up. Meal number 1. Corn dogs. Fisher family, bring it in. 1, 2, 3. Fishers! The tent set up. Got a nice little LED light. Camping and luxury. Boys got a double wide. All right, what'd you catch, Finn?
A frog, a leopard frog.
Yeah, let's see it. Let's
His
see
name's
the back
Bob.
of him. Oh, what a good friend you guys found.
Yeah, where's the jar? I want to put him in a jar.
First night, really windy, so we're gonna kind of hang out and camp. All right, we got the first fish of the trip. Rowan, you got the net. You got it? Oh, it's a good fighter, Finn. Really good fighter.
Oh my god, this is big.
This is awesome. Great fighter, buddy.
Oh, it's not.
Walleye. Oh, it's a northern, I think.
Northern.
Finn, you're the northern slayer.
I want it. I
Here.
want to keep it. I want to keep
Here.
the northern. I want to keep it. I want to keep it. I want to eat it. I want to eat it.
Yeah, nice net job, Rowan. Great net job, dude. Finn, you are the walleye or the northern slayer, buddy. Great job.
Okay, let's see if we can mount it.
We got another one, guys.
This is definitely a fish. Oh,
There you go. Rowan, get off of that, dude. You're gonna fall in.
it's a big workout, right? Yeah, it is.
It's a what? Oh, it's a bass. It's a bass.
Yay!
Good catch, buddy.
Bass.
Yeah, good job. Throw it in.
I mean, they caught a frog today. And he did catch a frog today. Why did he do that?
Here we go. Rowan, get the net. Finn, keep the rod tip up, buddy. Definitely a fish. Do you feel a fish?
Definitely.
This might be the first walleye.
I felt it wiggle. It was definitely.
Oh, yeah. Keep up the good work, buddy. This will be the third fish of the trip.
Then it would be the second.
Wow, this is way out there, buddy. Oh, there is a fish on it. Get it in. Get it in. Oh, it's a rock bass. Rock bass! Walleye of the trip.
Tell scary campfire stories. Order up anything in that hut. And today is a beautiful night. It's a beautiful night to be alive.
Day 2, we're at camp. Camp Fisher. How'd you guys sleep last night, guys?
Really good. Yeah, I slept great.
What do you guys want to do today? Catch some walleye?
Yeah, the northern escape.
The northern escaped.
Very, very, very sad.
We'll have to-
Bob escaped.
Bob escaped.
Where's my...
Is it a little cold out there, guys?
Yeah, little. Yeah.
Damn.
Except you have ever seen me?
That's pretty good.
What is it, close?
Absolutely gorgeous morning. We have bacon, egg, hash browns, burritos. Breakfast burrito scramblers. All right, who wants one?
Me! Oh, look, a spider web. Well, that is literally perfectly made. Well, let's see, this is actually perfectly made.
Okay, we got this spot. We're trolling sort of deeper reefs here and got the first keeper. Amazing morning. He's carrying something, some sort of fish. You got a fish on? What you got there, buddy? A tiny little bass. Finn's on a really nice one. Rowan, get the net ready, buddy. All right, Finn, keep holding off the back. Get to the side. This is gonna be a really nice one, guys. Nice and slow, Finn, nice and slow. Here, if you have a hard time, let me know.
This one has to be a mountain.
This one might be a mounter, buddy. Hold on, Rowan. Hold on, buddy. Yep. Okay, there it is. Scoop it. Big smallmouth, buddy. Good job. All right, Finn, show us your bass. Okay. Rowan's got one on now. How's it feel, dude? Ah, bass. Mushroom? All right, we're gonna try a Mountain House chicken fried rice. We get the jet boil going. Be careful, little Manny. These jet boils are so neat. I'm sure most people here know what they are. We're definitely camping in luxury. We also have a stove I got from my brother and an oven. So kids running around, climbing trees, you know, being crazy. We got one walleye that we're gonna flay up later, but we need to go get more. All right, boys, what are you doing?
I'm trading fishing lures. Yeah.
So you're taking all of my lures.
No, we're not. Yeah, I just can't get this lure.
All right, fishing school. What did we just learn, guys?
How to tie a fishing lure on a fishing line.
Can you explain to the camera? You did a great job, Ron.
I did.
How'd you do it?
First, you grab the line and you tie it through, and you put it through the hole, and then you twist the hook 8 times, and then you'll see a hole at the bottom. Take your string and put it through that, and then a hole will appear at the top. Take your string, put it through that one, and then squeeze very tight, and then cut off the remaining string.
Excellent job. All right, we're doing a challenge. Who can walk up this log without falling? Finn, your turn. Finn did it on his second try. Rowan has slipped a couple times. Oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh! All right, Rowan. Okay, Finn. Sorry.
3 chances.
Challenge number 2. You have to make it all the way from one side to the other.
With crawling, you could easily slide off. And you have to jump off.
That's pretty high, man.
And there's a lot of sticks down there.
All right, I think Finn's got a really nice walleye on, guys. Get the
Definitely a fin. Net?
Yep, get the net.
Really not fun.
Really nice one, Finn. Really nice one. Keep the rod pointing out. Really nice one, guys. Really nice. Oh, it's a big northern, Finn. Again. Nice scoop. Finn, you are unbelievable at catching northerns, man. Yeah, dude. Nice keeper, Rowan. That'll eat.
Hey, Finn, look. I just got a keeper. Oh my god.
Finn, you got one? Bring it in.
That looks like a walleye.
Definitely a walleye, buddy. You're on the board.
It looks like a keeper.
Little small, maybe. We'll see. Get it in, boy. We're on the spot, man.
Keeper?
All right, successful outing.
Yeah. And teach us how to fillet a northern and a walleye.
All right, about to fillet up some fish. Filleted up some fish. Some walleye, sauger, a little bit of northern. Gonna do a fry. Pretty late.
I'm bleeding so. Dad, do we got any band-aids?
You're bleeding too? Where are you bleeding from, buddy?
We are untangling the hooks and,
From where?
and we were going fishing.
Oh, dude, why are you fishing right here? Come on, man.
I was fishing over there.
No. Rowan, put the fishing pole away.
Why?
It is nighttime. The fish is done. We can have a delicious meal, man.
I caught the northern. It was the first fish we caught. 2 walleye and 2 sauger. And we caught the 2 saugers.
So take a bite, guys. Tell me if it's good.
That is so good. So good. Yeah. I don't know if this is sauger. It tastes like
That's northern.
what? It has to be northern.
That's northern what Finn's eating. Flaky, hot.
This is the best walleye I've ever had. Yes. It tears apart so easily.
So tender,
Look how
right?
easily it tears apart.
Oh, yummy.
Be careful around the fire.
Yes. Beautiful morning, huh, bud? Oh, you just dropped your shadow wrap. Oh, pretty cool. Hey, son.
Dad, are you filming the video?
Yep.
Yeah.
Day 3 of camping, guys. Are you having fun?
Yeah, a lot.
Okay. What do you want to do today?
Go fishing a lot.
And then maybe
Catch some walleye.
catch some walleye. Maybe we'll go explore a little bit.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful morning.
Okay, we're out on the boat. On the boat, day 3. Yeah.
Day 3, baby. Beautiful morning. I can't even explain how beautiful this morning is. Here's our site. Bring it here. All right, first fish of the morning. Nice little walleye. There you go. Finney got his first walleye of the day.
Hey, Mr. Walleye,
All right.
said when you were bigger.
Yeah, it's like his brother. All right, let's take it off and throw it back.
Nice walleye.
There you go, bring it in.
Dad, you gotta get the northern.
All right, Finn, film.
Dad, we gotta get the northern in the boat. We have a huge fish. It's a huge northern.
Wow, it's a monster. Ron, scoop, 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 scoop.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna eat this thing. I wanna eat monster. To be a melter.
You filming that, Finn?
I want a melter. If we can melt
Wow, look at this guy.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
All right.
We're
let's,
definitely gonna be able to mount that guy. That is huge. He is huge. He's a human.
You ever seen a northern this big, guys?
Never. This is definitely bigger than the one. Dad, this is. Are we gonna try to? This is the king of all northerns.
All right. Here, are you still filming?
Can
Finn?
I see if we can mount it? That is a huge northern. I wanna see if we can mount it. That is a huge
You
northern.
filming, buddy?
That is like
Hey, Dad,
literally
can I see if we can mount
huge.
Yeah.
That is huge. That is like so
All right, now stop the
huge.
film.
Okay.
All right, boys, take that northern out. Let's see it.
I hope it doesn't fall into the water. I hope so much. It's a behemoth. We can mount it. We can mount it. It's way bigger than this tiny little. Yeah.
Oh my God! It's teeth just.
Video and.
All right, let's let this swim off, my man. He's gonna be fine.
That is the Lord of all northerns. Yeah, that is the Lord of all northerns. Bye.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Yeah. And so it's good that we bring the first aid kit.
Guys, now that's what I'm talking about. Give me a handshake.
No, I do not want to. Love you, handshake. What's in it?
Got another one, guys. Keep this up. Keep it up, Finn. Hopefully it's a nice keeper walleye, guys.
Oh, it broke off.
Keep reeling, Finn. Keep reeling. Oh, it's off. Hey, Finn.
What?
You having a great time?
Yeah.
How long do you think we can stay out here?
1 week. 7 weeks.
All right, we just got back from a little trip to the store. We were running low on some items. Cooking a little pizza in here to refill our bellies. Boys, you having fun?
Yeah.
What do you think of that northern?
These two?
Oh, then we got them some northerns because they deserved it because they're doing so well. It's an amazing day, nice, sunny. So the fishing's probably not too hot, so we're just going to spend some hours here at camp. We've got the boat charging right now. We've got our flashlights charging, everything charging, and we're going to be rocking and rolling soon. Good pizza, huh?
Eastern northerns.
Maybe not sharper than northerns, but lake trout are very strong. Okay, guys.
We found an awesome spot.
Okay, we got a nice fish on right now. Gosh, it'd be nice to be a real big walleye. I think it might be, buddy. It's fighting like a walleye. Woo-hoo! Oh, it's a big northern. Scoop it. Nice job, buddy. All right, good job, man. Take it out.
I'm winning. Yeah. I'll take it. Or should I take it? I want to eat them. I want to have them.
You want to eat them?
Can you hold on to this, Dad? Ron, do you want to eat them? Yeah, me too. Yeah. The people who catch it, they get to decide if they eat them.
Yeah? You really want to eat this guy?
Yeah, I do.
Rowan, good job on this catch, man.
Thanks. I'll put the net down. Okay, can you guys open it? Open it. Dad, open it. Nothing, you. Okay. Dad, don't touch it again.
Okay, we're out again. Got that nice northern. How'd that feel?
Great.
Okay, we're just trolling. We're gonna go back to our walleye spot, I think.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Chicken noodle soup, clam chowder. Night fishing.
Boy. Hi. We're literally night fishing. Woo. Guys, this is real night fishing when the real walleye come out.
You ever been out here at night?
No. Okay. Good morning. It's day 4, and it's a beautiful night. Yeah.
We slept awesome.
Yeah. We slept like rocks.
It's a little windy out there. It's a little cold. All right,
Day 4.
we're gonna go slay some walleyes, guys. It's a really sort of foggy, gorgeous morning. It seems like a very fishy morning. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Got a real nice one here.
That's amazing. It's huge.
What do you think of that?
It's huge.
So they have to be less than 18 inches. This one's like right. It's a perfect eater. Fins on one. Maybe not too big. Whoop!
Was that a keeper?
Just grab it. Just grab it. Nice gold. Still on?
Oh, no, that's
Just a little guy.
a little guy.
Having a pretty lazy morning here. Just filleted up a bunch of walleye. Some nice fillets. Fry going. Turn this up a little bit. Now this is gonna be delicious.
Yeah.
You organizing your lures, buddy?
Yeah.
Finn, what are you doing? Just playing? Yeah. Ready to eat some fish? He wants to go fishing.
Woo.
Let's go explore a new area. What do you say? Good idea?
Hello.
Another northern.
Oh my gosh.
Oh God. Oh God, you slimy guy. All right, we're here looking for seagulls. Boys really want to find some seagulls. Super slow day. Boys are down there fishing. They're decided to make a scrambler. Looks terrible right now, but as the egg cooks, it should get better. Mmm.
So good.
Is this the best one you've ever had?
Yeah.
Is that the best thing you ever had?
Yeah.
All right, Rowan fell off the boat. Soaked. Are you feeling warm and dry?
Yeah. Way better.
But you were soaking wet.
You're just too.
Feel better?
Yeah.
Little SpaghettiOs before bedtime. I think our kids are tired.
One has way more meatballs than me. But I'm the meatball king.
All right, last morning here. The boys want to stay for another day, but we're low on food and gas, so made it 5 days. Guys, day 5. Day 5.
Day 5. Day 5.
We got to go get some, catch some walleye for your little sister, huh?
Yeah.
She's gonna want some of that.
Yeah, she is.
All right, we're doing one last little troll session here. A little chilly today, guys. We're all a little beat up. Our fishing pole broke. A lot of our lures are not in the greatest shape. This is day 5. We're gonna go back here, get a little food in our belly, and kind of clean up a little bit. Fish really aren't biting too hot today. We got a couple small walleyes. I've been marking a lot, but they just don't want to eat. So I don't know. Packing up. Plan is to leave the site better than what we came. Good helpers, man. Good helpers. Grab that jacket, Finn. Gotta grab our garbage. All right, guys. You want to do this next year?
Yeah.
Finn, what are you reading? Oh, the muffins. Hey, do you want to do this next year, Finn?
Yeah. Next month.
Was it awesome?
Yeah, I really want to do this next month.
We are all loaded up. We cleaned up the whole camp. We should be good to go, guys, so let's get out of here. Bye-bye, camp.
Bye-bye, Camp.
You've been great. On to the next adventure. She did well.